I made these chicken taquitos smothered in green salsa, and they were so good, so easy. Let me show you how I made it. I'm adding tomatillo to some water, and then I'm also going to add in some jalapeño, a piece of onion, and some garlic cloves. I'm going to let this come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil and your tomatillos have changed color, remove, add to a blender along with everything else. I'm going to just blend this with some chicken knorr and some cilantro. And then I'm going to set that aside for now while I cook the chicken. I'm adding 1.5 pieces of chicken breast along with a piece of onion and some bay leaves, some salt. Cover that. The chicken should take no more than about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, I'm going to remove it and just add it to a plate, letting this cool down before I shred it. And then I'm going to shred it. You can use a shredder or you can even use your hand mixer. I'm just doing it with my hand. And now I'm adding some olive oil to a pan. I'm going to add in my green sauce in there and just mix it for about 10 minutes. For the tortillas, I just add a whole handful, wrap it in a paper towel, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. Once they come out, I like to just separate so they don't get stuck together. Adding some chicken and a slice of mozzarella cheese, wrapping this up, and then just continue to do it with the rest. I have some oil heating up. I have this at about a medium so that these don't burn. Adding the taquitos. Then what I'm just gonna do, brown these until they're crispy and golden, just like that. Remove and continue with the rest. Once they're done, I'm just adding some sauce on my plate, then laying down the taquitos. I'm going to top this off with some cabbage. This is purple cabbage, but you can use the green. To me, they're both the same. Some crema, adding some more green sauce on top. Gonna top it off with some queso fresco, a little bit of avocado, adding a little bit more, and that is it. That is how easy it is to make these taquitos. Not only are they easy, but they are so good. Save this recipe. You're gonna want to make it. Enjoy.